Good morning, respected teachers, parents, and my dear friends. My name is Joshna. I am studying 4th standard. Today we have gathered here to celebrate the 78th Independence Day of our country. This is a very important day for all of us. On 15th August 1947, our country became free from the British rule. Many brave freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel worked hard and sacrificed their lives for our country. On the first Independence Day, our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, hoisted the national flag at Red Fort and gave his famous speech, Tryst with Destiny. Independence Day reminds us to work hard, study well, and make India proud. Jai Hind, Jai Hind, Jai Hind. Thank you.